Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing this look right here, my go-to twist out. Been rocking this for a little minute now. If you want to see it, stay tuned. What's up? So I'm going to be starting out with blown out hair. You can use the comb attachment, brush, blow dryer, either or. This twist out that I'm doing today has been my fave for like almost like a year now, like a minute. I've been wearing this look. It's like one of my go-tos, and how I set it with the twist, I really in reality wear those twists for days before I take them out. I think it looks cute, and I think it's a cute look. So let's get into it. I'm gonna be using this mousse. I always like to use a mousse for these looks. It's lightweight. It gives me good hold. This one is super moisturizing, or preferably I'll use like Lotta Body mousse. Really good. And more times than enough I use like something cream, like a moisturizing. Not too much because I obviously stretched it for length, so I don't want it to revert too much. So let's get into it. A part down the middle. I like my part in the middle. Make sure you part your hair where you generally like it to set. I'm gonna put it in sections first. I'm gonna twist it. For this first one, I generally go like right behind my ear. Sometimes I change how far I like to go back, but generally right behind my ear. I'm gonna take some cream. I'm seriously not taking a lot because the product could help it revert, and that's not the goal for me. But you need the cream for moisture, so. I have colored hair, so I put it on the ends a lot. Okay, that section looks good. One and a half. But generally like a small amount. Brush that product through. One section, another section. Keep detangling as I go, so that it stays as neat as possible. Take a section, keep rolling. And I am taking fairly large. I'm gonna add a little bit more mousse, just for the definition. I usually determine by how the hair feels. Like if I feel like it's feeling too dry, it needs to be a little bit more moist, then I add one. But I definitely don't saturate it. How we looking? The ends definitely saturate because straight ends ain't cute. So. Like, why do I find this so attractive? Like, I think this is so cute. I really go outside with my hair twisted up. Like, I don't care. Like, this is a look to me. But this is the final twisting set. I literally go outside like this all the time. We'll go wear my hair like this for a little minute. Listen, when you do a set in style or something, once you do your edges, it's a hairstyle. Okay? So I'm about to lay my edges, and I put like one of those wrap strips on it that you would normally put on like when you wear a weave or something to your baby hairs or something. These hold me down, so I wear them. Natural hair, wig, weave, ponytail, don't care. These are getting used. I don't care how I look. My nose is running. The ghetto. Okay. So I got my toothbrush. Come back once I take them out and show you how I become. I go from like a bit silly to a bit beige. Hey, bear me. All right, good morning. It is not the next morning. It is definitely two mornings later, a day and a half later. Went to the gym, lived my life a lot, and now we're gonna take these down. We're gonna get a look. Okay, I mean, this is a look, but we're gonna get another look. Okay. 2 for 1, 2 for 1. We like discounts. Let me get this shit off my head first. I got my edges laid. Alright, I'm gonna be using this pick, not my favorite pick, but it's pretty childish, but what I could find right now. So I'll say, and some oil. I'm not gonna show you my oil because that looks a little ghetto right now, so just use the oil of your choice. Putting it, coating my hands, all my hands in it. I'm okay with using a thicker oil right now, only because it's winter and your hair needs all the juice. I rub the oil all over the twists before I even take them down, and then I put a little bit more because I like shine. With my fingers. I'm gonna take them all apart, and then I'm going to take them apart even more. Essentials mousse is like A1 when it comes to moisture, shine, like their products. Definitely one of my favorite mousse. I like Cream of Nature mousse, that mousse, a lot of body. And being that, I'm gonna be honest, I did go to the gym and live my life for like 2 days. I definitely did this over before I took this down, so that definitely didn't stay from when I originally filmed. I kind of like gently run my fingers through it because I like it, I want it to kind of like expand and swell out. I'm not looking for the exact like ringlet curl definition kind of thing. And obviously I'm too lazy to go get a clip, so period. just pump up the volume with this, okay? I'm definitely letting the hair, like when I pull my hair forward, I let the hair part kind of like naturally where it wants to fall already and go upward this way. I like to go. So think of the shape of your head. The back of your head, I'm gonna go up, right? Then the sides, I'm gonna pull it out this way, this way. Kind of think of shape of your head and the shape that you ideally want for your hair. To be separated a little bit more if she's looking a little chunky. I feel like I'm always doing this. Right? So dramatic. I could literally, I feel like I say this every time, I could do this all day. Like, she's never big enough. Like, do y'all see what I was going for? Because I like this, and I like as it gets older, it gets messier. Like, a good old puff. Like, yeah, I'm not showing y'all really that right now because we're not ruining her. But this is the final look. I love this twist style. It's my go-to look. Like, I'm going to an event, if I'm going to work, anything. If I'm not walking around in those twists, it's because we got, you know, I got somewhere to be and I gotta look fresh. But this is definitely my ideal look. Guys, let me know if you try it. I used this mousse and this cream. This is my favorite mousse, by the way. Yeah, thanks for watching.